This is Dinah,
And this is Tubbs.
and we're Country Girls Get Down on Reality TV. And I'm going to tell you what, Popcorn Sutton.
God, we've got to go to Tennessee. You know, he's bottled his own, or he's got they sell it in a pint jar.
Really?
Yeah.
Popcorn Sutton.
Popcorn Sutton has his own moonshine that as a matter of fact, he was the first one to get moonshine legalized.
You're kidding.
Have you not seen the documentary on it?
I saw that, but I didn't realize that his went legal.
Yeah, his is legal. You can buy it in Tennessee, in places in Tennessee.
The little old man skinning out there for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Drove the old Model T.
Yeah, oh, I love that.
Yeah.
I love that.
That's a true story. You can buy it. He was the first one to get legalized, and it was legalized after he was dead.
Oh, okay.
So you know what happened to him while he died, right?
Wasn't it in the 70s, and then in 97 he was arrested only 2 times. Those times.
And he killed himself.
He really did, you think?
Yeah. Yeah, I saw a documentary about his wife, him and his wife, and it showed his old moonshine still, and it showed everything. And it showed, he had I forget how many stills he had going at one time up under a little shed. They had it all camouflaged. And she took the cameraman on the tour of it and showed them all, and it was all just messed up where the feds had just come in and just tore everything up. And it had all the gallon milk jugs, sitting everywhere, and it was old now, it was all dirty and everything, but she never went in there and cleaned it up. But anyway, long story made short, she said that that it was really nice at one time, but the feds had just tore it all to pieces when they come in to bust him. But
really?
Yeah, he shot himself.
He did shoot
That's
himself.
how he killed himself. Yeah.
Well, the one I watched showed him and another man. I can't remember the man's name, but he said, "This is my last run." And it showed him going down in the woods doing his last run, and it showed him. I mean, he told all about it. He got those rocks, and they made clay, and he put them rocks in there and put that clay around them, and then they also had a young girl was up there, I think, and several older men, and they was playing bluegrass music and singing, and while he was doing all this, and then at the end though, it was his wife, and she was saying something, and then it said they speculated that he had committed suicide because he was fixing to have to go.
Yeah, he was fixing to go to the pen.
Because was he 70-something or?
Yeah.
But
I forget how old.
I remember them saying he'd only been arrested out of all the time he had done it, only twice. One in the 70s.
They knew he was doing it, but they couldn't ever catch him. But he would get in there, and he changed his location every time, and he was so good at what he was doing,
I just like to hear him talk.
they just never could catch him.
And watch him with that cigarette in his mouth, and he's so skinny.